Hello, this is Dan Alford with ARC Specialties. Today we're talking about gas tungsten arc or TIG welding. It's a great process, but it's hard to automate and it's slow. You seldom see gas tungsten arc on a robot. Most robotic welding is either resistance welding or gas metal arc welding. So what we've done is we've created a simplified interface and a 7-axis solution to allow you to weld complex parts with gas tungsten arc. The last piece of the puzzle is the automatic arc length control. Back in the old days, you'd add an independent arc length control axis on the end of the robot. That's no longer necessary. We do it all through software. So we have a vectored AVC that always follows the part based upon the center line of the electrode. And the second problem to solve is productivity. Traditionally, gas tungsten arc has been associated with low deposition rates. What we're doing in this process is we've added hot wire. We're preheating the wire as it goes in the puddle. This does a couple of things. It increases our deposition rate. We can get up to 15 pounds per hour, and it also reduces dilution. So what you're seeing on the video today is a simple weld procedure qualification part, but we're able to do much more with 7 axes. If you need the precision and quality of gas tungsten arc welding on your next robot project, give us a call. At ARC Specialties, we thrive on problems. Send us yours.